Viewers, in the last class we had discussed up to empty set or null set or void set. So in this video also we shall continue the terminology in set. So let us take two sets A and B such that A has the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. The elements of B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we can see that every element of set A is in set B. Then we can say A is proper subset of B. So next we shall see the definition of proper subset. If every element of set A is in set B, then A is proper subset of B. Here you have to note that the B also has some additional elements. All the elements of B are not the elements of A. Only few elements of B are in A, set A. But all the elements of set A are found in set B. This is mathematically represented as A is proper subset of B, and this B is called superset of A. Set B is called superset of A. Next we shall see equal set. Let us take two sets A and B such that A contains the elements 1, 2, 3 and B contains the same elements 1, 2 and 3. So we can say every element of A is in B and every element of B is in A. So I can write A is subset of B and also B is subset of A. So if the A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then we can say sets A and B are equal sets. If two sets A and B can be written as A is subset of B and B is subset of A, then A and B are called equal sets. So this is the condition for equal sets. Every element of A is in B and every element of set B is in set A. You can also define like this: every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A, then the sets A and B are called equal sets. This is also another definition for equal sets. Now we shall take a set A having the elements 1, 2 and 3. We shall try to write the subsets of this set. So the subsets can be 1. The subsets can have the elements 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the empty set or void set is also a subset of every set. So how many subsets we have written now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this set A can have 8 subsets, and the set itself and the empty set or void set are also subsets of given set. So this point we have to remember. The given set itself and empty set or void set or null set are subsets of the given set. So this point we should remember. And these two sets are known as trivial sets. They are called trivial subsets of given set. The first statement can be mathematically represented as A is subset of A, and this subset is called improper subset. Then A is called improper subset of A. So A itself subset of A set. Then A is called improper subset of A. Now let us see the relation between different mathematical sets. I can say n is a subset of natural number is a subset of whole number. All the elements of natural number are in whole number, so it is a proper subset because the whole number has an additional element, at least one additional element, that is 0, and the whole number is a proper subset of integers. The integers have all the elements of whole number. In addition, they also have negative integers, negative whole numbers, and this integer is a subset of set of rational numbers, and which is a subset of proper subset of real numbers. Real numbers, in addition to rational numbers, have irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? So they are the real numbers which cannot be written in simple fractions. Irrational numbers are present in R, and the irrational numbers are not found in rational numbers. They are not in set Q. So what are irrational numbers? Irrational number cannot be written in simple fraction. So they cannot be written in the form m by n. Some examples are pi, which is equal to 3.41592, etc. Then e, the base of natural logarithm, 2.7182 818284, etc. So these are all examples for irrational numbers. They cannot be written in simple fraction, but this pi is approximated to, approximate value for pi is 22/7, but it is not exactly equal to 22/7, only the approximate value. Then one more example, golden ratio, phi is equal to 1.618, etc. And what is this golden ratio? So to understand this golden ratio, let us consider a line segment. It is divided into two parts such that the lengthy part is A and the small part is B. If the relation between lengthy part and the small part is such that A by B is equal to A plus B by A. What is A by B? Length of longer part divided by length of smaller part is equal to the total length of the line divided by length of longer part. Then this ratio is called golden ratio. We can get this value for a golden ratio by simplifying this relation. So if we cross multiply, A square is equal to AB plus B square, A square minus AB minus B square is equal to 0. So this can be considered as a quadratic equation in A. So what is the general solution for a quadratic equation in x? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here this coefficient of a square is 1. So a is 1. Coefficient of a is minus b. So I can say, so instead of saying a, b, c, I take the coefficients of a square, a and the constant as p, q, r. I mean, if this quadratic equation is given like this, px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, the roots are given as x is equal to minus q plus or minus q square minus 4pr by 2p. So here p is equal to 1 and q is equal to minus b, then c is equal to minus b square. So what are the roots of a? A are given as minus q plus or minus q square minus 4pr by 2p. So q is minus b, minus of minus b plus b, and q square is b square minus 4 into 1 into minus b square plus 4b square by 2 into 1. So a is equal to b plus or minus b square plus 4b square 5b square, so root over 5b square by 2. So a is equal to b plus or minus root 5b by 2. The value of root 5 is 2.236 etc. So this is greater than 1. So if I take negative sign, the value of a will be in negative. So I am taking only positive sign, ignoring the negative sign here. So a is equal to b plus root 5b by 2. I can take b as common, 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now I bring this b left side, so a by b is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2. I can substitute the value for root 5, 1 plus 2.2360679 etc. divided by 2. So a by b is equal to 3.60679 etc. by 2. So the answer is golden ratio 1.618033 etc. So this is only extra information. This golden ratio is also an irrational. Dear viewers, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.